Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to show you how to change your throttle body, which is right here. I'm going to show you how to change it on a Hyundai Sonata, and it's given a code P2006. And I see that a lot of people don't know the reason why it's giving that code, because it's asking for an auxiliary water pump, which this car doesn't have. So not even the dealer figured it out yet, but I've done a car before where it could give me that code and I changed the throttle body and it solved the problem, so customer never come back. Alright, so let's get to it. These are the tools we're gonna need. You might need a Phillips screwdriver. It depends on how these clips stay on the car you're working on. Alright, so this one is flathead screwdriver. It's not a Phillips, but you might have a Phillips, so go accordingly. Alright, alright, so we get that out the way. Lift this up. That out the way also. So after that, what you want to do is remove this 10mm right here. It's a clamp, and another 10mm right here. It's also a clamp. So we're going to remove those two, and we go from there. Clamp drop. Go ahead and get it. So now what this gives you access to is the clip right here. You have to squeeze the top and the bottom part of the clip and just work it out. So here's the other side of the clip right here. Here's the other side right here. Got to squeeze both of them, then work it off. Remove that from there. And you want to get your 10mm. It's going to be 4. I have one right here. I have one right here, one here, one here, one here, and one here. Alright? 10mm, and we're going to take those off. You just need to remove all these screws from here. all these screws. Not gonna bore you with that. I'm gonna cut and come back when I remove all the screws. Alright, so after you remove all 4 bolts, that's, you can see the bolt hole, you need to remove these 2 water lines. So you're gonna need this right here. Also, all 4 bolts are the same size, so it doesn't matter how you put them back. You're gonna need something underneath the car so you don't create a mess. All right. Make sure you don't do this when your car is hot. Just want to get it to spin under here, then you can get it off. Alright. Get the other one you have, and go ahead and connect back this right here. Go ahead and connect them, so that will stop the water flow and set back your clips right here. You must set properly.
Nigga, I was about to say, where the fucking camera at?
Then you want to put back the throttle body.
What's your page called, Momo?
Dula go so hard.
Huh?
Dula go so hard.
You should call that shit Momo the Mechanic. More catchy, you feel me? Momo the Mechanic. Oh, you follow Momo the Mechanic? Oh, okay, Momo the Mechanic. How many subscribers you got already? You hit 2,000 already?
Alright, so after you tighten these up, tighten your 4 screw, double check your work, make sure that it's good, and you also want to plug in your your throttle body. It can only go in one way, so you don't have to worry if you're gonna plug it in wrong. Only plug in one way, okay? So apart from that, the next step is to put back your intake tube. All right, and guys, if you haven't subscribed already, you should go ahead and subscribe to the channel. There's no reason you're here watching the video this long and don't give me a thumbs up. Alright, so let's tighten that up. That you can put on your cover. And that's that. Time to put on your intake. That's that. So basically it's all 10 millimeters to do that, okay? 10 millimeter socket, wrench, whatever you have. Alright, so our next step is to scan the car and erase the check engine light. So let's see. As you can see, this one is a 27, but it's the same thing from 2015 all the way to 2017. Go to engine. And the code it was given is, that's the code it was given. And when I look up the code, it said auxiliary water pump. This car does not have one of that. Alright, so let's erase that. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and crank the car up. And now we can press the gas and it rev all the way out, okay? Alright guys, so as you can see, it's driving and it's revving out. So I'm just driving the car and test drive the car around the block. See, the RPM will go all the way up. So that's good, guys. Thank you guys for your love and support. Please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Help me help you. Peace out. See you next time.